guys. Oh, I think I need to take this up a bit. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're seeing me for the first time or if you're seeing us for the first time, my name is Joy and this is Andy, my husband. And Andy has never had egusi soup and swallow, or well, we were supposed to do egusi soup and fufu, but we do not have fufu, so we're going
What's
to...
fufu?
Fufu is the white one.
I prefer the white one.
You're a scam. So we're going to be using eba, which is cassava gari, to do this. So without too much talking,
Is this the stuff you drink?
Yes, this is the stuff I drink with peanuts. So without too much talking, we're going to be eating, and yeah, let's see. So baby,
Where's my fork?
Baby, you're not supposed to use fork, you use hands. Baby, you eat Indian food with your hands anyway.
As you can see, I'm really excited about this.
The way you molded the thing. You don't chew it, baby.
Huh?
You don't chew it, you swallow.
Why?
Okay, you can chew it anyway, if that's what you want.
I don't see why you'd swallow it.
Because some people chew it though, but it's meant to be swallowed.
What's the point of that? You know, you eat normal, you chew normal food. You just swallow it all without chewing it.
Yeah, but some people, my cousin used to chew it. Some people chew it, some people swallow it, but it's nicer when you chew.
How do you pick the meat up?
Use your hand to pick it now.
I don't like the texture of it.
Of what?
This. You can't swallow that.
You what?
You can't swallow the meat.
No.
This is alright. I don't like that.
Baby, but okay, eat it anyway.
Why?
Because you like the soup, don't you?
What?
The soup. So nice. Do you want me to feed you?
No. That's skin. I told you.
That's not skin, that's tripe or whatever.
I told you I
they
didn't
call
want that.
it. Okay. Shaki.
I asked you about that earlier. You said you didn't put it in.
No, I said I put it in, but you can choose not to eat it.
Of course, I'll always choose not to eat it. So all that was one bit of beef in it.
Okay, take beef then.
A whole plate and there's one bit of beef. Wow, scamming. I don't know why you rave about this, baby. It doesn't taste of anything.
Yeah, but the soup is the thing that is supposed to blend well with the swallow.
Why can't I just have rice with it?
And maybe next time.
No.
Baby, why?
I don't like that. I've had the Angolan one, very fun. cassava, with the white one. But that tastes too rough.
It doesn't taste of, I thought you said it didn't taste of anything.
Well, it's the texture.
So you're drinking the soup now?
This is manageable, but not.
Maybe that's not manageable, that's ace. Okay, maybe next time I'll make it with that one you said. The white one. Except you're faking it that you've had it.
I have had it.
Yeah, but the reason you can't eat it is because you chew it. It's called swallow for a reason. You're not supposed to chew swallow.
But I don't like the texture of it, maybe.
Well, it's because you're chewing it.
Strange.
I wouldn't like it if I chew it myself.
Okay.
That's why I don't chew it. You're supposed to swallow it.
Food is supposed to be chewed, baby.
No?
Yes.
No, not all food. So you've wasted my curry.
I didn't waste it. I told you to give me a small. I told you yesterday.
That's small.
He wants to screw stuff.
Pepper.
I've told you before, there's certain things I don't like. And texture is important to me. That's why I could never eat that stuff that grows. I enjoyed the melon stuff. As you can see, I ate all that. If you just put white rice, I'd have ate rice with it.
So you would not mind eating the soup and rice?
Very occasionally.
But you enjoyed it, didn't you?
It was okay. I don't know why you.
Because it tastes amazing. Egusi soup is ace.
Okay, if you say so, baby, I've had it now.
So I feel like you should say it's ace because it is.
Joy says it's ace. Is that good enough? Is that good enough? You said it's ace.
No. You. What about you?
I said it's okay. It wouldn't be my favourite food.
It would be if you eat it more often. When you first add beans and yam or beans and plantain.
I like beans right from the beginning. I've been eating beans for years, baby.
Baked beans or cooked beans.
I'm not talking about. You're talking about Nigerian beans. I know what you was talking about.
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it's not cooked. It's the beans you eat is baked beans anyway. You ate beans for the first time, right? Did you? When you ate beans for the first time, did you automatically become your favorite food?
In Lagos? Yeah, I liked it from the first time I tried it.
That's what I'm saying. You need to eat this more often for you to feel the same way you feel now about the beans.
So, as you can see from my 2 plates, we have, what was this called? Eba. This for me I don't like because I don't like the texture of it. I don't understand this thing about just putting it in with the stuff and just swallowing it. We don't do that in England, we chew our food. But the egusi, this was like 75%. I think 75%, not because of the taste of it, because the taste of it's okay. It was more to do with the fact that what was in it.
What was in it?
What do you call it? Shaki. If it was chicken, I'd have enjoyed it a lot more.
Okay.
So, and I would prefer, instead of having this stuff, I'd prefer to have just rice with it.
So you're never going to eat swallow then?
Well, this, never.
Okay.
I've tried it, so I know.
What about fufu?
I'll try it once.
Baby, but you know when we have kids, you have to feed them this.
Why?
Because they're definitely going to eat this.
Okay.
But when I'm not around and they want to eat this.
Maybe you're Nigerian and I'm English. They'll want to eat English food as well.
Okay, what English food do you think they would like to eat then?
Several English food.
What do you mean several English food?
Maybe you like English food.
Baby, what when you say
you like English food?
Okay, what do you say when you say several English food? Please, where is the several?
Chicken.
Chicken is not English food.
Where do you think it's from?
So well, what else? Okay, aside. Okay, let's say
you can cook potatoes.
Let's assume chicken is English.
Potatoes.
Okay, what else?
Vegetables.
Okay, what else?
Chicken and vegetables as well.
So is that all English food is about?
Jollof, I can cook them English jollof rice.
You're a thief. Jollof rice is not English. Jollof rice is Nigerian.
Yeah, okay, but
so don't be claiming jollof rice because you like jollof rice. You cannot automatically move jollof rice from Nigerian to English or British, whatever. I can promise you what they want to eat the most.
Remember, when they go to school, they won't get any of this.
Yeah, but when they come home, they'll be like, Mommy, can I have egusi soup and swallow because I've been eating?
So. You're hoping so.
That's how it would be.
It won't be.
That's how it would be.
Baby, you won't because you've seen evidence from your friend, Joe Queen.
What?
Their kids don't want to eat even plantain.
Okay, so
it's the same thing.
It's not. Aside from plantain, they eat other things. They eat beans, they eat swallow, they eat other things. They just don't like plantain. And it's like that with kids, baby. When I was younger, I didn't like egusi soup. Okay. When I was younger, I didn't like vegetable soup. But as I got older, I enjoy eating egusi soup and I enjoy eating
There's a lot of things I didn't like when I was a kid. I didn't like hardly any vegetables when I was a kid. Now I love vegetables. Yeah,
you said so.
I never liked olives till I was about 30 years old. I love olives now.
So you never know. You might love swallow and this and...
I'd have to be 150 to like that.
That's not nice.
I told you to make something small. I could never eat that. It's too stodgy for a start. Like heavy. It is.
Okay.
So I don't even like it. I couldn't eat a plate full of mashed potato like that, which I actually like mashed potato, but I couldn't eat that much of it. And it just doesn't taste of anything. You're
supposed to eat it with this swallow
and
the soup together to make it taste of something.
That spoils that for me. It does. Maybe it doesn't for you, but for me.
That makes this better.
Well, we'd have to, because that couldn't make anything better.
The both of them complement each other.
Just to conclude, the egusi, the melon soup, is okay. It would be better if it had chicken in, but I'm afraid this stuff, this eba, is not for me. The texture's all wrong for my palate.
But you say you've tried fufu in Angola, right?
It's called funge.
And you liked it?
No, I never said I liked it. I said I tried it.
Okay.
It doesn't taste of anything.
But you prefer that texture to this one?
Yeah, because it's smooth. That was okay. So thanks for watching. So has this been a worthwhile exercise?
Well, the fact that you finished the soup is good.
Hi guys, just want to say thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Joy's channel. So keep watching for next installment of Andy Tries Nigerian Food. And maybe Joy tries something that Andy likes.